Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to roller set your hair using Lotta body. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification for more videos. Thank you. For this tutorial, I'm just gonna be rolling parts of my hair. I'm not gonna be doing everything. So please watch carefully. So whenever you add Lotta body, ensure that it gets to the tip of the hair. Then comb it gently. This will make it very smooth. There are different sizes of rollers. If you want your hair to be extremely coy, you can use the smallest, or if you want it to be loosely coy, you can either use the medium or the biggest roller. You can roll your hair towards your face or towards the back. It depends on the style you want to achieve. Just in case you don't have hand dryer, you can cover it with a net and leave it to dry overnight. And this is the result. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, you are blessed.